Assalamu alaikum. We are going to learn the unit number 1 operations on sets of class 8 book. Sets. Basically, set is a well-defined collection of distinct objects. It is denoted by capital letters of English alphabet like A, B, C, D. Let's see some more definitions. Subset. Set X is said to be a subset of a set Y if every element of X is also an element of Y. Basically, it is called subset of set. Proper subset. Any subset of a set A is said to be a proper subset of A if it is not equal to A. Improper subset. Let A be a subset of B. The set A is said to be an improper subset of B if A is equal to B. Power set. Basically, power set is a set of all subsets, or we can define it like as let A be a set. The set of all possible subsets of A is called power set of A. Operation on sets. So basically, laws are commutative laws, associative laws, distributive laws. And we also learn in this unit De Morgan's law. The statement is given in the following section.